We know that a lot has been done to cause damage and harm to our planet and ocean ecosystem, and at Divers Direct, we are working to be part of the solution. In our shipping practices, we use compostable packing peanuts and go one step further by recycling and repurposing packing materials we receive. We're hopeful this small step not only reduces the amount of non-sustainable packing materials produced, but that others will follow suit. And we don't stop there. When you spend $100 or more in one of our 4 Divers Direct locations, we'll pack your new gear in our Divers Direct reusable red bag. Spending less than $100? No problem. We'll send you home with a sturdy brown paper bag that can also be reused. No single-use plastic bags here. Taking our commitment to the environment a step further, we partner with companies that share our passion to protect our oceans and our planet. Through our partnership with Evo, when you purchase either of their drift mask and snorkel combos, you can choose to leave the plastic clamshell packaging behind. For less than $2 more, you can purchase a drawstring bag to take your gear home in and further reduce waste. Mares is moving to plastic-free mask containers. Not only are these mask containers plastic-free, they're also compostable. Pelagic ships their products in 100% biodegradable bags. Going a step further, Real Skipper ships their products in compostable bags that you can add to your household compost. Fourth Element's Ocean Positive collection is made with recycled content from post-consumer waste, including plastic bottles and ghost nets. Space Fish Army uses fabric made from single-use plastics in their products. Stream to Sea sunscreens, proven safe for fish and coral larvae. With every bracelet purchased from 4 Oceans line, they remove a pound of trash from our waters. Every Nomadics towel is made from a fabric derived from 30 plastic water bottles. Toadfish Outfitters creates the tools you need to clean and enjoy your catch, and with each product sold, they work to replenish the oyster beds. These are just a few of our partners and their eco-conscious efforts. There are so many more. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about what we're doing for sustainability, protecting the environment, and reducing our carbon footprint. At Divers Direct, we are making a difference, and we also want to thank you for doing your part in helping to make our planet and ocean ecosystem a priority.